In this video, we're going to look at how to add the Developer tab in Excel. The Developer tab allows us to create VBA applications, create macros, design forms, import and export XML data, as well as other functions. To add the Developer tab, right-click on the ribbon or on any of these tabs. Then click Customize the ribbon, which will display an Excel options dialog box with the Customize ribbon option already selected. However, if it's not, make sure you've selected this option. Then to the right, you'll see the main tabs section, and this lists all of the tabs. Go to the bottom until you get to the Developer checkbox. This checkbox should be unchecked given that the Developer tab is currently not visible. Go ahead and check this checkbox and click the OK button. You'll now notice the Developer tab being available. You can now access and select these options. One important thing to note is that we'll only have to do this one time. So when you open up Excel in the future, the Developer tab will already be displayed. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.